All right, now some more. Starting with number 10 here, I see it's not squared because one of them is plus, one of them is minus. I'll FOIL this first one out just to remind myself of what's really happening. First is x squared. Outer would be minus 4x. Inner would be plus 4x. And last would be minus 16. What happens then with these sum and difference, one's plus, one's minus, is it cancels out the inside, and outer and the inside will just make 0, leaving just x squared minus 16 as the answer. So hopefully then we can just do that quickly here and just see that it's going to be, if one's minus, one's plus, it'll be x squared. The middle terms will cancel out and leave at the end negative 7 times positive 7 is negative 49. It's always negative here. And in this next one, we can do the same idea. One's plus, one's minus. So it's x squared. Cancel the middle terms out. They'll make 0. And then positive 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. In this one, I see that same idea happening here, but maybe we're not sure exactly how that's going to look. So let me FOIL it just to be sure. So first is 9x squared, outer plus 6x, inner negative 6x, so they will cancel out, and then minus 4 from these two. So I can still have that same property of these terms are just going to make 0, and then I have 9x squared minus 4. So maybe I could check, like I can just realize that's going to happen, that 3x and 3x will make 9x squared, and then the negative 2 and the positive 2 make negative 4. That outer and the inner term, we know, will just cancel each other out. So I'll try that for the shortcut then for this one. The first would be 4x squared. The outer, the inner will cancel each other out. So I'll just skip to the last, which is 5, and negative 5 makes negative 25. Same thing here. First, we know they're gonna cancel out. So first is 4x times 4x is 16x squared. The outer, the inner cancel out, and last is 1 times negative 1. So negative 1. All right, and then here's the exit slip. So x minus 5 squared, I remember it means times itself. So I'll FOIL x squared. First, outer, negative 5x. Inner, negative 5x. And last, plus 25. So x squared minus 10x plus 25 is my answer. Here, I've got that situation where one's plus, one's minus. What that means is when I do first, it's x squared, outer is negative 6x, inner plus 6x, they'll cancel out, and then minus 36. So x squared plus 0 minus 36. And then last, I got another situation where one's plus, one's minus. So when I FOIL this, that'll be 9x squared, 12x, and then minus 12x, minus 16. So 9x squared plus 0, and then minus 16 is my answer. All right, go ahead and try some more on your own, and good luck.